So, in celebration of butterfly bush or buddleia, we wanted to talk a little bit about all of these newer varieties coming onto the market. A lot of people, when they think of buddleia, they think of the grandma's butterfly bush, which is really giant and big and taller than 6-7 feet. Also, will have these really large panicles, where all the flowers are, which can look really nice when they're in bloom, but then when they're not in bloom, it turns brown. So there's been some challenges, and so as breeders, we're always trying to figure out how can we make the gardening experience a little bit nicer. And so we started breeding the new series of Chrysalis Buddleia several years ago. And with this series, it's much more compact. You're going to see maybe 18 to maybe 26 inches in the garden. So nice little compact habit where you can put it in a lot more places in the garden. You'll also see with a lot of the newer varieties of Buddleia, a lot more flowers. Now they're smaller, but they're continuously blooming. So you'll always have a beautiful new flower to look at